Hey there, science manias. Ever stood at the edge of a steaming geyser, watched mud pots bubble, and wondered, what in the world is really going on underneath our feet? I mean, it's beautiful, it's wild, but there's a primal energy to Yellowstone National Park that just screams. Something huge is lurking. And you'd be right. More than just a park. Because Yellowstone isn't just a park, it's a living, breathing, giant geological wonder. A place where the earth itself feels thin, like a fragile skin over an unimaginably powerful force. And today, on Science Mania, we're going deep into the science that makes Yellowstone, well, Yellowstone. The supervolcano unveiled, it's not a volcano in the classic sense. Now, when I say supervolcano, what's the first thing that pops into your head? A pointy mountain spewing lava? Think again. Yellowstone's supervolcano isn't a mountain at all. It's actually something called a caldera. Think of it as a massive collapsed crater, one formed by an eruption so mind-bogglingly huge, it literally emptied out the magma chamber beneath and the ground above just fell in. We're talking about a depression that's roughly 45 miles wide and 30 miles long. You could fit most of Rhode Island inside it. It's so big, you can barely even see its true shape from the ground. It's like trying to see the curve of the earth from your backyard. The plume and the magma chamber, the engine room. So, what's driving this beast? It all starts way down deep, much deeper than any ordinary volcano. Yellowstone sits atop what geologists call a hotspot. This isn't just molten rock, it's a superheated plume of magma rising directly from the Earth's mantle, like a giant, slow-motion lava lamp. This plume heats up a colossal chamber of partially molten rock just a few miles beneath the surface. And when I say colossal, NASA actually mapped it out using seismic waves, and it is something like 20 miles wide and 45 miles long, stretching even further down. This isn't a solid blob of lava, it's more like a sponge saturated with magma, hot gases, and superheated water. This is the ultimate geothermal engine. Geysers, hot springs, and mud pots, the surface manifestations. Well, all that intense heat and pressure from the magma chamber has to escape somehow, right? That's where the magic on the surface comes in. Those incredible geysers, such as Old Faithful, aren't just random acts of nature. They are elaborate plumbing systems. Rain and snowmelt seep into the ground, getting caught up in cracks and fissures. When this water hits the superheated rocks, it gets hot, really hot, often way over boiling point because it's under so much pressure. Eventually, it builds up past a critical point, and whoosh! A small amount of water flashes to steam, pushing the water above it out in a spectacular eruption. Then, the pressure drops, the system refills, and the whole cycle starts again. Hot springs are similar, but without the constrictions that allow pressure to build, so the hot water just flows out. And mud pots? That's where acidic gases break down the rock into clay, and steam bubbles up through it, creating those wonderfully gurgling, stinky, volcanic mud baths. It's all interconnected. Monitoring the monster, what are scientists watching for? With all this immense power beneath the ground, are scientists just hoping for the best? Absolutely not. Yellowstone is one of the most heavily monitored geological sites on Earth. The U.S. Geological Survey, universities, and other agencies have an intricate network of sensors. They track ground deformation. Is the ground rising or falling? That might indicate changes in the magma chamber. They listen for seismic activity. Tiny earthquakes are common, but a swarm of larger ones could be a sign. They analyze gas emissions and water temperatures, even magnetic fields. It's like giving the supervolcano a full physical, 24/7. And the good news? While Yellowstone will erupt again someday, there are no signs pointing to an imminent, catastrophic event. These processes take thousands of years. We would see significant, unambiguous warning signs long before anything truly dramatic happened. So don't cancel your vacation plans. Wonder and responsibility. So the next time you see an image of Old Faithful or hear the name Yellowstone, remember what's actually occurring underneath that stunning landscape. It's a reminder of the incredible, raw power of our planet, a power that shapes continents and creates wonders. Understanding Yellowstone is not about satisfying curiosity, it is about appreciating the dynamic Earth that we are a part of and respecting forces far greater than ourselves. It is about the science that helps us live safely and marvel at our world. What other geological mysteries do you want us to dig into? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved learning about Yellowstone, smash that like button, subscribe to Science Mania for more epic science deep dives, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single spark of knowledge. Until next time, stay curious, stay scientific, and keep exploring.